Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen Transporter camper. This vehicle has done just under 60,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our sink, stove and fridge just below. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this doubles up as one of our 2 double beds, making this camper 4 berth and 5 belts. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as assist, and on the right we have voice control. On our screen we can access Apple and Android CarPlay, smartphone integration, radio, media and menu. If we pan the camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top.